students, how are you all? I'm sure you all are doing really good. So children, let's begin with our next chapter, which is letter writing, long composition. A. Classification of letters. Letter may be classified as follows. Personal letters. Personal letters are informal letters written to friends, relatives and acquaintances. Business and formal letters. Letters are written to firm, newspaper, principal of educational institution, professional men, officials and to people not personally known as formal letters. As these letters are impersonal, the language used in courteous, simple and clear. They should be dignified, short and to the point. Social letters and notes of invitation. These letters can be personal or official depending on the person they are addressed to or the occasion or which they are written. These letters include invitations, a letter of condolence, of congratulations, letter of thanks, etc. Format of a letter generally has 6 parts. These parts can be placed in various positions on the page. The most popular format these days is the one illustrated on the following page. This is the format adopted in this book. First, the address. The position of the writer's address in a letter is the top left hand corner of the page. The date should be written in full above the salutation. For example, November 15, 2000 dash or 15 November 2000 dash. It could also be put as November 15 or 15th November 2000 dash. Don't write the name of the month in short. For example, don't write November as now. The salutation. In the letter given here, Dear Madhu is the salutation. The form of salutation varies from person to person depending on the degree of intimacy with the person addressed. To member of the family, my dear father, etc. To friends, dear Rajat, my dear Anu, etc. To businessman, dear sir, dear sirs, etc. To official, sir or madam. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे हमें लेटर राइटिंग के बारे में बताया गया। जो लेटर्स हैं वो आपके इस तरह से क्लासिफाई किए गए हैं। पहले होते हैं आपके पर्सनल लेटर्स। पर्सनल लेटर्स जो होते हैं ये आपके इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स कहलाते हैं, जो आप अपने फ्रेंड्स, रिलेटिव एंड आपके फैमिली मेम्बर्स को लिखे जाते हैं। बिजनेस एंड फॉर्मल लेटर्स जो होते हैं, जैसे कि आपकी एप्लीकेशन हो गई, आप प्रिंसिपल को लिखते हो, न्यूज़पेपर वगैरह को लिखते हो, किसी फर्म को लिखते हो या गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स को लिखते हो, तो यहाँ पे आपकी जो लैंग्वेज होती है वो पर्सनल नहीं होती। ये आपकी लैंग्वेज जो होती है फॉर्मल लेटर्स की, ये हमेशा ऑफिशियल होनी चाहिए। सोशल लेटर्स एंड नोट्स ऑफ इनविटेशन जो होते हैं, इसमें आप लोगों को, जो आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं, इनको आप क्या भेजते हो, इनविटेशन वगैरह भेजते हो, ठीक है। तो ये आपके सोशल होते हैं और इसमें आपके इनविटेशन, लेटर्स ऑफ कंडोलेंस, ऑफ कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, लेटर ऑफ थैंक्स वगैरह आते हैं। फॉर्मेट ऑफ लेटर किस तरह से होना चाहिए? आपका जो लेटर होता है वो जनरली 6 पार्ट के अंदर होता है, ठीक है। इसमें सबसे पहले आपका डेट, टाइम वगैरह आता है, फिर आपका एड्रेस आता है, फिर आपका डेट, उसके बाद सैल्यूटेशन आती है और उसके बाद आप उसको अपना सिग्नेचर देकर क्या करते हो, एंड करते हो। द सैल्यूटेशन इज रिटन और द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ द पेज बिलो द डेट। विद्या भवन, 14 लॉरेंस रोड, न्यू दिल्ली 110001। द एड्रेस जनवरी 15, 2000 डैश। द डेट डियर शैली। द सैल्यूटेशन, ठीक है। इस तरह से आपका जो लेटर का टॉप होता है वो इस तरह से आता है, एड्रेस, डेट एंड सैल्यूटेशन। इट इज लॉन्ग सिंस यू कॉल्ड ऑन मी डैश। द बॉडी, योर सिंसियरली, द सब्सक्रिप्शन, सिग्नेचर, एड्रेस ऑफ द पर्सन टू whom the letter is addressed is written on the signature of the writer, ठीक है। इसके बाद आपकी बॉडी आती है, आपका कंटेंट आता है कि आप किस बारे में वो लेटर जो हो वो लिख रहे हो। उसके बाद आप सिंसियरली लिखते हो, सब्सक्रिप्शन लिखते हो, फिर अपना नाम या सिग्नेचर वहाँ पे डालते हो। उसके बाद आप अपना भी एड्रेस वहाँ पे मेंशन करते हो। फोर्थ, द बॉडी. This is the main part of the letter. It should be divided into paragraphs according to the subject matter and should be written in clear and simple language. It includes an introduction which gives the reason for the letter, the main information and a conclusion which contain a polite wish. Fifth, the subscription. It is written to the left below the body of the letter. It is courteous living taking before the letter is ended. It must correspond to the salutation. To relative, your affectionately or yours affectionate son, brother, sister. To friends, yours sincerely or your sincere friend. to strangers, businessmen or officials, to newspaper. Yours faithfully, yours truly. Informal letters. Address of the writer, date, salutation, introductory, greet, body of the letter, conclusion, subscription, signature. F8 47 Chandni Chowk, Delhi, 14 Jan 2000 Dear, give my regard, yours affectionately, Tarun. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे आपको इनफॉर्मल लेटर का फॉर्मेट बताया हुआ कि इस तरह से आपका इनफॉर्मल लेटर में ये पॉइंट्स आने चाहिए. फीचर्स. We can see from the given example that an informal letter has the following features. A. It is written in an essay-friendly, personal and conversational style. No commas are used at the end of the lines in address, date, salutation and subscriptions. Date can be written as 28 May 2000 no comma is used. The forms of address is usually the name without the title of the person to whom one is writing the letter or the name by which the recipient is called, prefixed by such qualifying terms as dear, my dear, for example, dear father. The forms of subscription may vary. Your affectionately or your affectionate son for letters to family members, yours lovingly and yours affectionately may be used. The content should be clear, to the point and coherent. तो बच्चों जब आप पर्सनल लेटर लिखते हो, इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स लिखते हो तो आपको इन फीचर्स को ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. ठीक है, आपका जो लेटर की राइटिंग होनी चाहिए वो फ्रेंडली होनी चाहिए, पर्सनल एंड कन्वर्सेशनल होनी चाहिए. इसमें आप कॉमा वगैरह यूज़ नहीं करोगे. ठीक है, लेकिन आप डेट वगैरह प्रॉपरली मेंशन करोगे, आप जो एड्रेस है उसे प्रॉपर मेंशन करोगे और आपके जो पॉइंट्स हैं वो टू द पॉइंट्स होने चाहिए. ज़्यादा बड़ा लेटर आप नहीं लिख सकते. Informal letters. Sample. Write a letter to a friend giving him an account of the accident which recently happened to you. 15 Garden Road, Pune, March 22, 2012. My dear Raghuveer, I am sorry I could not reply to your letter earlier, for I have been in bed for the last few days as the result of a nasty accident. About a week ago, I was going to a friend's house on my bicycle. Unfortunately, I had no lamp in the cycle. The night was dark and cloudy. I could not see my way clearly before me. I would have remained at the hostel, but then I thought that there was no danger of my meeting with any accident, for I knew the road so well. I had hardly covered half the distance when, as I turned sharply to the right to take the road leading to my friend's house, I slipped from the cycle. Before I could understand what had happened, I was thrown violently into a ditch nearby, and I lay there unconscious, I think for about 20 minutes. When I came back to my sense, I saw an old man with a lantern bending over me. Evidently, he was the man sitting in the Tonga which was then passing by. He and the Tonga driver helped me out of the ditch. Every moment was an agony. Then they took me to hospital where my head was bandaged. I had to lie in the hospital for about a week before I was well again and was allowed to return to the hostel. Father came down the next day as soon as he was called telegraphically. He has now left. You should not be worried in the least about me. I am all right now. Yours sincerely, Advani. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे एक बच्चा है वो किसी एक्सीडेंट से मेट हो गया था और वो एक्सीडेंट के बारे में जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो अपने फ्रेंड को दे रहा है लेटर के थ्रू. Write a letter to your elder sister who live in Shilona and tell her about the annual function at your school. 25 Jashore Road, Barasat, West Bengal, 28 July 2000 - Dear sister, I hope you are all well. I guess you must be very busy in your college. When will your examination begin? Do let me know. You will be happy to know that I was given the Best All-Rounder Award at the school annual function held yesterday. The function was attended by a large number of parents and other guests. All the students participated enthusiastically and presented a grand cultural extravaganza. What a show it was! The choir sang a melody of songs and our class presented the play The Woman in Blank. The play was a big hit. I played the role of the doctor in the play. Initially, I was a bit nervous, but soon I was as confident as ever. There were a few dances also. The best part of the program was the surprise giving ceremony. You can imagine my excitement when my name was announced as the best all-rounder and the principal gave me a certificate along with a trophy. Amidst loud clapping from the audience, I received the prize and smiled at Mummy and Daddy who were sitting right in front of. I only wished you had been there to share my happiness. Anyway, you have to give me a treat when you come home next time. Take care of yourself and do reply soon. Yours affectionately, Sunaina. अब बच्चों यहाँ पे एक गर्ल है, उसे उसके स्कूल में अवार्ड दिया गया है और ये खुशी जो है वो अपनी फ्रेंड से लेटर के माध्यम से शेयर कर रही है. Formal letters. Formal letters are those we write to people with whom we have formal relationships. For example, to the principal, headmistress of a school. Recipient's address. The principal, St. Mary's School, 5th Park Street, Kolkata, West Bengal. Date 25th July 2000. Subject of the application. Subject sick leave application. Salutation. Dear Madam. You have shifted from A 142 Defence Colony, New Delhi to K53 Model Town, Delhi. Write a letter to the postmaster, Defence Colony, New Delhi, informing him about the change in address. K53 Model Town, Delhi, July 30, 2000. The postmaster, Defence Colony Post Office, New Delhi. Subject: change of home address. Sir, this is to bring to your kind notice that I have shifted to a new house, the address of which is given at the top. Previously, I was residing at A142 Defence Colony, New Delhi. I shall feel highly obliged if you kindly redirect all me letter, parcels, etc. to my new address. Yours faithfully, Rohit Kapoor. यहाँ पे एक बॉय है जो कि अपने एड्रेस चेंज के लिए एप्लीकेशन जो है वो पोस्ट मास्टर को लिख रहा है. तो आपके जो फॉर्मल लेटर्स होते हैं यहाँ पे इसमें क्या ऐड हो जाता है, सब्जेक्ट ऐड हो जाता है और जो आपकी लैंग्वेज है वो शॉर्ट एंड सिंपल हो जाती है. Write a letter to the editor of a daily newspaper regarding the poor condition of roads and streets in your locality. B118 Krishna Nagar, Delhi, August 4, 2000. The editor, The Indian Express, New Delhi. Subject: poor condition of roads and streets. Sir, I would like to bring to the notice of the authorities through the columns of your esteemed paper the poor condition of roads and streets of our locality. The roads in Krishna Nagar are in a bad shape, having pits at every step, and these pits are responsible for accidents. During the rainy season, they get filled with dirty water and become places for mosquitoes to breed. Heaps of dust and rubbish are seen scattered everywhere. Stinking drain make it impossible for anyone to pass through the street. It is high time the authorities wake and make effective remedial steps, or some epidemic might break out, leading to a great loss of life. Yours truly, H.S. Malhotra. अब यहाँ पे एक मैन है जो कि इंडियन एक्सप्रेस को लेटर लिख रहा है, उसके एडिटर को एप्लीकेशन लिख रहा है कि हमारे एरिया की जो रोड है, स्ट्रीट है, उसकी जो क्वालिटी है या कंडीशन है वो अच्छी नहीं है. Third, write a letter to the editor, the Hindustan Times, about inadequate water supply in your locality. 10/15 Radhapuri, Delhi, April 3, 2000. The editor, the Hindustan Times, New Delhi. Subject: inadequate water supply in our locality. Sir, through the esteemed columns of your newspaper, I wish to draw the attention of the municipal authorities towards the inadequate water supply in our locality. It is really very unfortunate that the Municipal Corporation of Delhi is rather unconcerned about the provision of civic amenities to the public in our area in particular. Water supply gets discontinued at peak hours in the morning when everyone has got to get ready for the day. Even when the supply is intact, the pressure is terribly low. All this causes a great inconvenience to everyone. May we expect that the water supply will soon be regulated. Yours truly, Mayur Kothari. अब यहाँ पे एक आदमी है, वो हिंदुस्तान टाइम के एडिटर को क्या लिख रहा है, एप्लीकेशन लिख रहा है, उसके एरिया में जो वाटर सप्लाई है वो काफ़ी कम है, ठीक है, तो इसके रिगार्डिंग वो लेटर एप्लीकेशन जो है वो लिख रहा है। फीचर्स ऑफ अ फॉर्मल लेटर, वी कैन सी फ्रॉम द अबव एग्जाम्पल दैट अ फॉर्मल लेटर हैज़ द फॉलोइंग फीचर्स। An application is a formal letter. The language and tone of the letter are very formal and very short sentences are used. The name and address of the person to whom the application is addressed are also given. Unlike informal letters, a formal letter has a subject which is usually introduced before salutation. The recipient is addressed either by sir, madam or dear sir, madam, and the subscription at the end is usually yours faithfully or yours truly. The details in the body of the letter must be absolutely clear, relevant and to the point. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे फीचर्स बताए गए हैं। आपने अबव एग्जाम्पल में देखा कि आपके जो फॉर्मल लेटर्स होते हैं ये एक एप्लीकेशन का रूप होते हैं, ठीक है, एप्लीकेशन आप इन्हें कह सकते हो। और ये जो लैंग्वेज होती है, जो टोन होनी चाहिए वो भी ऑफिशियल होनी चाहिए, फॉर्मल होनी चाहिए। जो नेम एंड एड्रेस होता है किसी भी पर्सन का वो कहाँ पे आता है, टॉप पे आता है, ठीक है। और यहाँ पे आपके जो सैल्यूटेशन होती है वो डियर मैडम या डियर सर मैडम इस तरह से शुरू होती है। इवन आपके जो एंड होता है, सब्सक्रिप्शन होता है, वो भी योर्स फेथफुली योर्स ट्रूली के थ्रू एंड होता है। आपके जो पॉइंट्स होने चाहिए एप्लीकेशन के वो टू द पॉइंट होने चाहिए, क्लियर एंड रेलेवेंट होने चाहिए, आप इधर उधर की बात ना करें, ठीक है। फिफ्थ, राइट अ लेटर टू योर प्रिंसिपल सीकिंग परमिशन टू अवेल द स्कूल ट्रांसपोर्ट फैसिलिटी फॉर अ वीक। द प्रिंसिपल, सेंट मैरी स्कूल, Park Street, Kolkata, July 2000. Subject, request for permission to avail school transport facility for a week. Dear Madam, I would like to state that due to a leg injury, I have been advised by the doctor to avoid walking for a week. Whenever my unit tests are due next week and I am unwilling to miss my school, I will be grateful if you kindly grant me the permission to avail school transport facility for a week from 5th July 19 July 2000. Yours obediently Rahul Sharma, class 6B. एक बच्चा है, उसके लेग में इंजरी हो गई है और वो स्कूल में अपने प्रिंसिपल से रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा है कि उसे जो स्कूल का बस ट्रांसपोर्ट फैसिलिटी है वो प्रोवाइड की जाए एक हफ्ते के लिए। क्यों? क्योंकि वो अपने स्कूल के जो यूनिट टेस्ट है वो मिस नहीं करना चाहता। Here is a letter written by Ramanpreet Kaur to the principal of his school seeking permission to an extra English classes. The principal, Mary's Convent, TC Goswami Street, Rampur. 2nd August 2000. Subject, requesting permission to join extra classes for English. Dear Madam, I would like to state that due to my participation in the inter-school singing competition, I missed a few of my English classes. Hence, I will be grateful if you kindly grant me the permission to attend extra English classes which are held every Saturday morning. Yours obediently, Ramanpreet Kaur, class 6B. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे एक लड़की है, वो इंग्लिश की एक्स्ट्रा क्लास चाहती है, जिसकी वजह से उसने अपनी प्रिंसिपल को एप्लीकेशन लिखी है, उनसे रिक्वेस्ट की है कि उनको इंग्लिश की जो एक्स्ट्रा क्लास है वो ज्वाइन करने का मौका मिल सके। Here is a letter written to the principal for seeking leave to attend a wedding in the family. The principal, Little Jewels School, 24 Soderpur Road, Madhyam Gram, Kolkata, 24th September 2000. Subject, leave application. Dear Sir, this is to request you to grant me leave from 25th September to 1st October 2000 as I have to attend my cousin's wedding in New Delhi. I will be grateful if you kindly grant me leave for that week. Yours obediently, जानकी दत्त, क्लास 6B। तो बच्चों यहाँ पे एक लड़की है, वो अपने किसी रिलेटिव के यहाँ फंक्शन अटेंड करना चाहती है, जिसकी वजह से वो स्कूल नहीं अटेंड कर पाएगी और उसे उसके लिए क्या चाहिए, लीव चाहिए। तो वो अपने प्रिंसिपल को लीव एप्लीकेशन लिख रही है। तो बच्चों, आई होप आपको लेटर राइटिंग का ये कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा। अब इसका रिवीजन और दी गई एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से करेंगे।